from 4th grade, and today's proverb is keep your friends close and your enemies closer. This proverb means that it's essential to maintain strong relationships with your friends, but it's even more crucial to keep a close eye on your enemies or competitors. Highlight of the proverb keep your friends close and your enemies closer is the importance of emotional intelligence and social awareness. Here's the story that illustrates the wisdom of keep your friends close and your enemies closer. Once upon a time, two business owners, Alvin and Belvin, were rivals in the same industry. Alvin was a cunning businessman who always kept a close eye on his competitors, including Belvin. Belvin, on the other hand, was more focused on his own business and didn't pay much attention on Alvin's actions. One day, Alvin launched a surprise attack on Belvin's business, undercutting his prices and stealing his customers. Belvin was caught off guard and struggled to respond to Alvin's aggressive tactics. In the end, Belvin's business suffered significantly and he was forced to regroup and reassess his strategy. My dear friends, Alvin's decision to keep a close eye on Belvin's business allowed him to anticipate and prepare a potential threat, ultimately giving him a competitive advantage. Now it's quiz time, and today's question is, what is today's proverb? Stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you.